Guys, please subscribe and help us get to 20k subs. Please, bafethu. Just sub, just. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 1. I'm joined by fan. My brother, what's your name and where you from?
Taba from Life Freedom Park.
Hey, Tiago, come again. You came here today, my brother.
Everyone said everything. Ne?
Yes, sir.
On top of this, everyone said, I want to say one thing. Ne?
Yeah.
When we fans, when you come la escorting,
yeah,
we already think 3 points mahala.
Yeah.
When the players come here escorting,
yeah,
before they even get into the field,
yes, sir,
they already think 3 points mahala.
So bayanyatha.
Yeah, into essence
yeah,
it's just nyatha.
Yeah.
If you come here, look what is happening to Manchester United now.
Yes, sir.
Manchester, they think Old Trafford, what my points are mahala.
Yeah,
I'm gonna 3 points mahala Orlando.
Yeah, and it's not happening.
Yeah, Melo perform, Melo
yeah.
This thing out to say like Orlando, just don't know. Go Nandi Friday, go Nandi.
Yeah.
Mahala 3 points.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Polokwane shape is super sport for
one at home.
What if we say final ne Polokwane?
Yeah,
and then
true.
the same thing, and then yes, share food.
Yeah.
Or yes, share my penalty or something.
Nyatola, my brother.
This Polokwane is not like DSTV. I mean, a multi-choice is the first team at DSTV.
Yeah.
Every team which we play at DSTV League.
Yeah.
Let us respect
the opponent.
And the way we have to play.
Yeah,
but we know we don't have the starting 11.
Yeah.
Go league.
Sure, my brother.
I know Ujo say only starting 11 go a cup game.
Yeah.
Because cup games is only 5, 6, 7, 8 games.
Yeah.
But a league is a marathon.
Yeah,
30 games is too long.
Yeah. So you'll get back.
Yeah, we'll get back, but
okay.
But unfortunately it's too fast. Sundowns already if you look at.
Okay,
but what do you have to say?
Yeah.
Manchester United. Yeah. Mele 3 points. Finish and clear.
Who was the man of sorry. Who was the man of the match?
No, Karim.
Complete.
Yeah, come with.
Yeah,
he was supposed to play 90 minutes, finish and clear. Yeah, come with.
So we just continue with Mele Dlalwe.
Moses continue, Melo Dlal. The same way the way we started the league, that's what we did.
Yeah.
The winner got 5-0, 3-0, 4-0, everything. Now no, everything is the way it's full of no, every team comes here, they know shower 5-0, 3-0. So now they put up the socks to relax.
Thank you very much,
my
brother.
Number one. Once and always for it.
Thank you, my brother.
Once and always.
Thank you.